V500S portable visual presenter can easily respond to various situations. It features high-definition image benefiting from multi-joint design. The scanning can range from a coin to A4 size with no loss of details, as well as smooth video recording, rapid imaging by 8MP HD CMOS, removing the noise while preserving the details. Economy-grade USB autofocus visualizer V500S is configured with built-in mic and automatic fill-in light with LED dimmer button. Flexible multi-joint has 5 joints and 2 arms. It can display details from close-up view to full shot of various 3D objects. The camera can be rotated flexibly to fit different needs. PC via USB port, and the camera will do the rest of the work for you.